Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 400 Lite to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then click on your device's display. Following that, choose Send at the bottom left corner of Honor and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close another ad, and as you can see after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!